Hey there, in this video I will show you how we just booked 12 commercial leads for one of our clients in just 48 hours of using our email system, right? All without spending a single dime on ads or sharing leads with competitors on Angie's List or something like that. So let me actually show you exactly how we did it and which steps we took in order to get those results, right? First of all, I wanted to share some proof that these are the actual numbers that we achieved for them. As you can see, like this is the date. December 9th. Today is December 11th, but as you can see, like all of these leads that came through were on December 9th, right? Yes, I'll take a quote. This is basically the lead that we got for them, right? As you can see, like all December 9th. And yeah, we have done this multiple times for various different clients. So what is the process that you can copy so you can achieve similar results, if not the same kind of result, right? First of all, it's like 2 simple steps. It's really straight to the point. It's simple, but not really easy. So I will walk you through each of these steps in extreme detail so you can just copy it and yeah, get some results for yourself. The first step is build a list of businesses, and then the second step is sending an email. So the first step, building a list. There are only 3 steps needed in order to build a relevant list with like decision makers in the right businesses, right? And also in the right service area. So the first step is get all zip codes in your service area. Really important to do that in order to maximize the results of businesses that you can scrape. Get all relevant business types and then use Outscraper to build this list, right? If you've seen any of my videos, then you know, okay, I'm a big fan of Outscraper, but in this video I will walk you through the whole process in extreme detail. And in the last videos I haven't shown exactly how we get the zip codes and all of that stuff, so I wanted to do that here. So first of all, you need to open ChatGPT, and I have actually prepared this right now, right? I just assumed, okay, now we have a client or we are working with someone in New York and they have like a really small service area, which is a 10-mile radius of New York, like the center of New York, right? I basically asked ChatGPT to give me all of the zip codes in that area. As you can see here, all of the zip codes that are in question, right? And then because there's a certain format that you need in Outscraper in order to use those zip codes, I asked it to return all of the zip codes in this format. First the zip code, city, the state abbreviation, and then US of A, right? And as you can see, this gives us a really good list that we can work with, and also an extensive list, right? Just copy those 2 prompts to define your zip codes and all of the relevant zip codes that you have. And then, yeah, you can simply follow these steps, right? Once you have this list, you basically take them all, copy them, and then you open Outscraper, right? I will leave a link below in the description for Outscraper, so you can, just use the link, go on there, and yeah, follow my steps, right? Let's just say, okay, we are looking for restaurants, and Outscraper actually has this pretty cool thing right here where it's F&B, right? And F&B basically stands for food and beverage. So let's say, because like these people, like all of the people in food and beverage, most of the time they are looking for someone to pressure wash, right? A bar, a coffee shop, a pizza restaurant, a cafe, sandwich shop, like all of these people, right? So I would actually recommend to click F&B, and then you can, instead of like only restaurants, and then you can go into the locations, right? So you clicked F&B, then you go to custom locations, and this is where you paste your list of zip codes, right? As you can see, I just inserted them in here. This gives us a really targeted list, right? Maximum results, I will just leave this at 0, because 0 means unlimited and you want to scrape all of the available leads in your service area. You go to emails and contact scraper, you click on this filter, click on ignore without emails and delete email duplicates and just save. Then you go ahead and get the data. And as you can see, this can get quite pricey, but with the amount of leads that you will be getting, it's totally worth it. Just one deal, or one job pays for this, and this gets you, I don't know, 5,000 leads or something like that, which is more than enough to get one job at least, like as I said, for a client, for example, we just got them 12 quotes in just 48 hours. And let's just be pessimistic and say they have like a 10% closing rate. That's already one deal, right? So get data and then you just press confirm. I won't do it right now because I don't need that list, right? But I already ran some lists which I can show you how to use those. So as you can see, I have here a list of restaurants and 16 other categories that are likely to pressure wash. Let's just go ahead and scrape this. What you then do, you go to a new tab and create a new spreadsheet, right? So you type a new spreadsheet. And there you have it, right? You can name it, I don't know, food and beverage new or my service area, right? File, import, and then you just import the file that you just downloaded, right? What you then do with this list is you go ahead and download it again, and you go to Million Verifier. You go in here, create an account, and buy some credits. I think the first 100 credits are actually free, but I would recommend just buying some credits because you want to do this over and over again, right? To verify your emails. What Million Verifier does, and what I mean by verifying the emails, is this tool allows us to go through all of the leads that we just scraped and check if they are still available. Because we don't want to email people that don't exist anymore or whose businesses don't exist anymore, right? So it's really important to go through this step. And then also you can click, you basically go here to select file, select your list that you just scraped, go to remove duplicates, and then you start the verification process, right? I have done this already, so this is a different list, but for demonstration's sake, it's good enough, right? You go to, or you hover over download reports, and then you go to good emails only, right? Then you create down here, should show you, down here you click on plus, go to rename, and name it verified. So you can actually, you know which one of the list is actually good. Then you import this file again, append to current sheet, and there you have it, like a full list of verified people that are ready to be contacted, right? And this is the exact kind of list that we contacted for a client, where we got, as I said, 12 quotes in 48 hours. So yeah, this works. I'm really confident that it works. So now we only need the right messaging, right? Which I will walk you through right now. I actually prepared like an email example that is really similar to the one that we are just using. I excluded a few things that are like the specifics of our clients. I don't want to share like his details here, but this is the kind of email that we sent, right? So let me go through it. Hey there, I will be in city, and I was wondering if you're interested in a pressure washing quote. The city, by the way, you can extract from the list that you just scraped, right? Here's a column with the list. So yeah, you have that one. You can just look at the sheet, import it here, put it into the script, and then just use it. And I was wondering if you're interested in a pressure washing quote. We help nearby restaurants clean their properties, gutters and windows with one-time or maintenance cleaning. Can I come in to give you an estimate on my way back? Then your signature, and then PS. This is like really good. Like I wrote in here, guarantee, but you can also say no-brainer offer. What I mean by that is, for example, with all of the quotes we give out, we give you like a free window clean or whatever, right? Why would you ever do this, you might ask? Is, in my opinion, it's a great way to get your foot into the door, and we have connected clients on pressure washing deals with property managers, facility managers, and even the government, because we gave them like an incentive to give us a try, right? So this basically helps you stand out from the competition. And if you get, let's say you do like 2 window washings and you get, or you close like 50% of those, then you clean 2 windows and you get like a recurring deal with like a restaurant that is cleaning their property like every month or every quarter, right? So I think it's very much worth it, and we have seen it work over and over again. So yeah, you heard me talk about like our client setup a lot of times and what we do for our clients. Let me actually go through what the client setup is and what we do, right? We get clients 30 plus commercial quotes per month and jobs with universities, governments, convention centers, restaurants, and all sorts of businesses, right? How we do this is by setting up an AI email infrastructure that sends these kind of emails on an automated basis, right? And contacts like all of the relevant people on autopilot, right? So you don't have to do anything but close the deals, talk to the people, give them a quote. We do this by building ultra specific lead lists and, as I said, contact them, right? This way you get exclusive lead flow to your service area, because we only work with one provider per service area to avoid crossover leads and to provide the best service that we can, right? This saves you around like $49,889 per year on hiring a salesperson that can only do a fraction of this, right? So if you're interested, let me know. If you have any questions, type a comment. And yeah, if you're interested in more information, there will be an information sheet in the description where you can read more about the service and see what kind of results we have gotten for other people as well. So yeah, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.